Hey ladies, so we're gonna go over Turkish get-ups quickly. Remember, a Turkish get-up is not the same as a get-up stand-up. So at Kaya, we do get-up stand-ups. We call them get-ups a lot, but they are not the same as a Turkish get-up. Turkish get-up is very specific. So when we do these in class, there's a lot of options we do for balance at the Kaya level. So for balance, what we usually do is have no weight. You're always gonna have your arm bent, your arm straight, and the same leg is bent. Then I'm gonna have my other arm out to the side. So the goal is, this is a step-by-step exercise, okay? For the skill challenge, your goal can either be how many can you do without weight, maybe with a little bit of weight, or you can maybe have your challenge of how heavy can you do 1 or 2. So this is a really slow exercise. Making sure if you ever do have it in class, when we write it in class, it's very low repetitions, or it's for a time set, because you're not gonna get a lot of reps in like you would a get-up stand-up maybe. So I'm gonna take you through each step. Number one thing in this exercise is to never let your arm not be up to the sky. So a good practice is use your shoe or something that's not stable, because if it tips, it falls on the ground. So the goal is to keep this straight up. So same arm, same leg, other arms out to the side. Step 1, I roll to my elbow. See, my arm is still straight up. Then I'm gonna push to my hand. Then I bridge, I lift my hips up as high as I can, and I sweep my leg underneath me. So now my kind of knee is underneath my hip, which is right underneath my shoulder, so I have everything stacked up. From here, I kneel, and then a lot of times that knee's at a weird angle, so you're gonna kind of sweep that leg so it's in line with your body. Then you stand up. Then I have to get back down the exact same way. First I kneel, sweep that leg, I'm stacked, my leg comes underneath me, elbow to the back. Then I'm done, okay? So that's one side. That takes a long time. It's a slow exercise, okay? So your skill challenge could be, how many can I do without weight? How many can I do with a little bit of weight? Maybe holding a plate or your shoe just to practice keeping your arm up. And then the next one is, okay, I have 2 minutes in this challenge. Maybe I'll do one, I'll push it and start with 15 pounds on one side. If I can make it through both sides, maybe gonna shoot for a little heavier weight. So maybe your goal is just how heavy can I do 1 rep, which is a 6-step process. I'm gonna go through it one more time, counting it up. Same arm, same leg, arms out to the side. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. You can count that as a half a step where my foot sweeps. Step 6. Okay, and then in reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, I forgot the hip, because the hips go up for that. So you have to get up and down the same way. If you can just do this, no problem, then you're not doing it correctly the way that a Turkish get-up is meant to be, okay? So you should have to take it step by step. And the goal of practicing that is so you can maybe do heavier weight. It's a really hard stability exercise. So if this is your challenge, take it slow and really focus on your steps of doing it correctly, and then you'll be able to add heavier weight.